are at a private home here in Metro Manila, and we are doing a cooking lesson tour with Oscar. There's Oscar in the background, and he's preparing Sinigang, Hipon, that's shrimp Sinigang, which is a soup base, and also pork and chicken adobo. In this video, we are cooking two favorite Filipino dishes, Sinigang na Hipon, which is a Filipino sour soup with shrimp, and pork and chicken adobo, which is a tangy, savory dish that is marinated and braised in vinegar, soy sauce, and garlic. We will show you step-by-step instructions on how to cook it so that you will be able to do it on your own. At the comment below is the recipe for these two dishes, which you may copy. This is the Ilocos Region version of the recipes. So we booked a cooking class in Manila through Viator, which was in a private home. The home of our host has the old architectural design that dates back, as you can see. It was filled with all wood furniture of yesteryears and memorabilia. So here is the kitchen. So let's get started.
Okay, let's put the first cut already. I remove the skin.
And fat.
Para there's no smell at all.
Ang taba.
Walang taba.
Walang taba.
Clean. Cut into 3/4 to 1 inch. Then, the chicken. This is 1 kilo, this is 1 kilo.
1 kilo.
Okay, in all it's 2 kilos.
Oh, you're gonna mix it.
So, it will be easy to remember. 1 kilo.
After you place the cut up pork and chicken in a big pot, add the garlic. The recipe lists the measurements of these ingredients down below. Flatten the garlic with a big knife to make it easy to peel the skin off, and cut in very small pieces. He is fast and he makes it very easy to do. Then add the vinegar, the soy sauce, water, peppercorn, bay leaves, and the secret ingredient in this recipe is the sugar. Only 2 tablespoons of the sugar. It certainly makes a difference in the taste. Place the pot on the stove and cook in high heat. Cook for about 30 minutes until the meat is tender. Then stir the pot and reduce the heat to simmer for another 15 minutes. And here's the cooked adobo. Next is the Sinigang na Hipon. Cut up the very ripe tomatoes in sections and put in the pot. We have to make sure that it's the freshest, the ripest tomato that you can find. Cut up also the onion, the ginger root, and put it in the big pot. For the liquid, we used the washed water from the rice. Prepare the rice as if you're going to make it, but do not pour out the washed water. You use that for the sinigang. Pour in the pot the washed white rice water, about 8 to 10 cups of it. The starch from this liquid thickens up the broth a little bit. Then add some coarse salt in the pot. And place the pot on the stove and bring to a boil. While it is cooking, cut up the leeks and set it aside. Peel the radish and cut it up, and then soak it in water with salt for about 5 minutes. The reason why this is being soaked in water is because radish is a little bit bitter, and the salt will sweeten it up a little bit. After 10 minutes of boiling, take a potato masher and mash up the tomatoes, onion, and ginger that's in the pot. Then put the soaked radish in the pot to cook until it is almost soft. Then put the leeks in the pot to cook for a couple of minutes. Then add the shrimp. Do not overcook it, for it will be tough to eat. Let it cook only until the shrimp turns pink. Then add the Nor Sinigang Sampalok mix. If you want the broth to be very sour, you can add more of the mix. Half a package is usually enough for this much broth. Lastly, add the green peppers if you desire. Season to your taste buds. And here is the finished product. Both dishes are best eaten with boiled rice. It's a complete, hearty, satisfying meal, good to have with your family and friends. So share the recipe. Good sinigang. Thanks to everyone for watching. There will be more videos about food cooking from other parts of the world. Please subscribe to this channel for more. But for now, so long.